Hi everybody, Chuck Mellon here with another installment of what's going on in the market today. Well, certainly we've seen a lot of volatility today, yesterday, and the day before. Yesterday the market was down almost 300 points and it was down over 100 points the day before that. So it doesn't surprise me that investors are scared and they're worried about maintaining their profits and, of course, taking profits whenever necessary. I think this is perhaps turning out to be a good buying opportunity for us, though. I don't have anything I see right now today that's actionable, but I'm going to be looking later on this afternoon and, of course, tomorrow to see how the market closes today and what we could perhaps take action with tomorrow. However, let me say this to you. I believe that with all the volatility going on in the market right now, you're going to see more volatility moving forward. And you can see the conflict that's happening in the Mideast right now between Saudi Arabia and Yemen. Continued conflict which could get much worse in the Ukraine yet, and other areas of around the world. I think you might find that an exposure to precious metals might be warranted. So I wanted to tell you about a particular stock that I already own. This isn't a recommendation to buy a stock. It's just an example of something I already own. I decided some time back to buy a company called Yamana Gold. Symbol is AUY, traded on the New York Stock Exchange. And Yamana Gold right now is $4, believe it or not. And it's a great little gold stock, but it can provide exposure to the gold market. And when the market turns around, that is the gold market, when the precious metal market turns around, you could see this stock being a leader of the pack, so to speak. Now, when people get scared, when challenges and geopolitical situations worsen, gold stocks tend to do pretty well, as does gold. So I wanted to have some kind of exposure to gold stocks, and I chose Yamana Gold some time back. But you may want to do the same thing, you may not. But just check out having some exposure to either precious metals, physical precious metals, or gold stocks that pay dividends. Royal Gold is a stock that pays a great dividend, by the way. RGLD, Royal Gold. And look at some of the other ones. I believe everybody should have some minor exposure to precious metals here. So you might want to take a look at that and be proactive, because there are situations that it seems are boiling up throughout the world that are going to create challenges for us going forward. The stock market, I believe this is actually a buying opportunity. The market right now, the S&P has reached a lower level support line, and I expect to see a rebound later today or tomorrow from this level, because this is actually a strong support line in an upward trend that we should see continue. So don't be worried about the volatility, although going forward we're going to have more volatility. So don't be concerned about it. But keep your stops in there, make sure that your profits are protected, and make sure you don't lose money. After 6 years of a bull market, most everybody's sitting on some very nice profits now. So make sure that you raise your stop losses and you don't find yourself in a loss position. So with that, I'll bid you adieu, and I'll be back to see you tomorrow. And in the meantime, good luck investing. Have a great day.